Hey everyone, the Amazfit Active Max represents the latest step in Amazfit's evolution of feature-rich, stylish smartwatches, combining a bold visual presence with advanced fitness and lifestyle capabilities. At the forefront of its design is a 1.5-inch circular display offering a striking 480 by 480 resolution and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. This ensures that visuals remain crisp and vibrant even under direct sunlight, with automatic brightness adjustment adding convenience for outdoor activities. Despite its robust display and features, the Active Max weighs just 39.5 grams, making it exceptionally comfortable for all-day wear. Its build combines polymer and aluminum materials, delivering a balance of lightweight durability and refined aesthetics. The watch is rated at 5 ATM, which means it can endure water exposure up to 50 meters, providing reassurance for swimming, showers, or outdoor workouts in wet conditions. One of the most compelling aspects of the Active Max is its impressive battery life. Amazfit claims that typical usage allows the watch to operate for up to 25 days on a single charge, which is a standout feature in the current smartwatch market. Even with continuous GPS tracking enabled, the battery can last around 64 hours, making it highly suitable for extended outdoor adventures or multi-day fitness challenges. The watch also supports GPS navigation with ski and topographic maps, enabling users to explore a range of terrains without needing additional devices. Bluetooth calling functionality is integrated through a built-in speaker and microphone, allowing seamless communication without having to reach for a phone. Additionally, 4 gigs of internal storage offers ample room for storing music, podcasts, and other media, enhancing its independence from a smartphone during workouts or commutes. Fitness and health tracking are central to the Amazfit Active Max. The watch supports over 160 sports modes, covering everything from running, cycling, and gym workouts to more niche activities, ensuring users can accurately monitor performance across diverse routines. The smartwatch is capable of generating straightforward running routes, and features such as automatic pause and resume ensure accurate data collection, even during variable conditions or stop-and-go activities. Heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and sleep analysis further contribute to a comprehensive picture of the wearer's health and activity patterns. Integration with the Zepp app expands control and data visualization options, while compatibility with popular fitness platforms like Strava and Adidas Running ensures that workout data can be shared and analyzed across multiple ecosystems, adding flexibility for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Beyond its technical capabilities, the Active Max also emphasizes convenience and everyday utility. Contactless payment is supported, allowing users to make transactions directly from their wrist, a feature particularly valuable for those who prefer a minimalist carry approach during exercise or travel. Notifications, reminders, and app integrations further enhance its usability as a daily companion. Priced at €169 in Europe, the Amazfit Active Max positions itself as a mid-range smartwatch that does not compromise on features or design. Overall, it offers a compelling combination of vivid display quality, robust fitness tracking, smart connectivity, and long-lasting battery life, making it a versatile choice for users seeking a smartwatch capable of supporting both an active lifestyle and daily digital needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and like. Have a nice day, and God bless you.